If you turn on your garbage disposal and this happens, nothing, or you hear a low buzz, you might think the garbage disposal is broken. But try these simple things before you call anybody, and odds are this will fix your problem. Don't put your hands down in there, nope, or a spoon or something like that to try to move things around. The first thing you want to do is check the circuit breaker. Here we are at the panel, and you can see disposal, and look at that. The circuit breaker is thrown. It's just, all you have to do is that. There's things you should check before you turn this back on. Go under the sink. There's your garbage disposal. And this is the power cord. Go back over here. There's a lot going on here, but here's the garbage disposal wire, and it's plugged in. So that's good. And the folks that did the electricity for this did a good job, because they actually labeled which one was the dishwasher and which one is the disposal. The disposal is the plug on top. The last two things you want to check, there's a button, make sure that's pressed in. That's a circuit breaker too, and that will pop out. This last piece, when things get bound up, I'll show you what you can do. You'll need an Allen wrench. This is a number 6 on the metric side, or a 1/4 inch on the standard. And you put it inside this key, and you just move it back and forth. And you'll be able to feel if it's binding or not. And if it's binding, just move it back and forth, or all the way around, and that's usually will loosen up whatever is caught in your disposal. Here's another view of the Allen wrench and what you're doing with the key slot to move the garbage disposal blades around and unbind it. Let's check it out and see if we've solved the problem. You never want to run your garbage disposal without water in it, first of all. And make sure it's on the big setting. Turn it on. Your problem's fixed. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs and home fixes, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what solution you're gonna see.